front of me is Motorola Signature, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use Keyboard Clipboard. Start by launching your keyboard and hitting Clipboard at the top of it. Now use this switcher at the top right corner to activate it, and go back thanks to this arrow at the top left one. Now it's time to use Clipboard. To do that, copy or cut any text, and then paste it by clicking on it at the top of your keyboard. To paste it later on, tap on Clipboard and tap on your text here. If you want to paste it after an hour, you need to pin it or it will disappear. To do that, hold it and use pin icon. You can unpin it the same way. If you want to, you can also do exactly the same by tapping on this pen at the top right corner, selecting anything from Clipboard and operating those two options, pin or delete. You can also delete your text by holding it and choosing delete in the pop-up, or my favorite one, by swiping it to the right or to the left. If you want to disable Clipboard, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!